This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to add rainbow effect on Capcut. Open Capcut and import your clip, then tap Effects and choose a gradient or RGB preset and apply it. Adjust blend mode and opacity to match your scene, then use keyframes to animate the rainbow across the frame smoothly. Export a short test, tweak colors as needed, and save a preset for faster future edits. Start by trimming your clip to the exact area where you want the rainbow to appear. Tap Effects and browse Colorful Overlays or RGB split options, then add a gradient overlay and set the blend mode to Screen or Overlay. Use keyframes to animate the rainbow across the frame, syncing with motion or music. Export a quick preview and make small tweaks until the movement and color feel natural. Combine masks with your gradient overlay to localize color to a subject or background, making the effect feel intentional. Try stacking gradients with varied opacities and blend modes to create depth and subtle color shifts. Use motion blur sparingly on fast moves so the rainbow retains shape without looking smeared. Consider color grading the base clip after placing the effect for cohesive tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.